What kind of person is the boss suite really for? Who is it really for? I mean, there's all kind of different people on the planet, and not all offers are for everybody, right? Well, I start thinking about long time ago, back in the day, when I first found out about affiliate marketing. I was actually living in the projects, and I'd got a hold to this old broke down computer that one of my uncles, who's passed away now, may rest in peace, he gave me, and I had to upgrade it and bring it up to speed. And once I did that, I thought to myself when I was rebooting it all back up that there has got to be a way to make money with this thing. This computer is something special. There's just got to be a way to make money with it. It's got to be. And then I began searching and I came across this thing called affiliate marketing, which is basically you're selling somebody else's product and you're getting paid a commission if anybody buys that product that somebody else made. And what they do is they give you a unique special link that's coded to you specifically, and you just promote it in the best ways that you know how. And when somebody buys, you get paid a percentage. It could be 30% commission, sometimes as high as 50%. And there's even been some products that have been 70% and 100% commissions. And you got to think about it. The person who made the product, who the original company that the product is from, it's basically free marketing for them because all they got to do is pay an affiliate a commission. And if the affiliate doesn't make any sales at all, well, they didn't waste any money at all. The company, the parent company, they never wasted a dime. So it's a no harm, no foul type of thing. And that cuts down on the marketing costs of that company greatly. So it's a win-win for the company and the affiliate, because if the affiliate makes sales, well, he just got paid some cash money for a product he didn't even have to make, nor did he have to do any of the customer service. It's a pretty awesome business model, affiliate marketing. And I remember when I made my first, I believe it was a $10 commission on a product. It was a ClickBank product. If you don't know what ClickBank is, don't worry about it. It's an affiliate network that lists mostly a bunch of digital products that you can sell online, and it's still popular today. In fact, it's even bigger today than it's ever been. But my point is, this changed my whole concept of money making, because let me tell you, my main thing at that time is I just didn't want to work for nobody. It's weird to say that because, you're living in the world today, especially here in America, and well, you got to work. You don't work, you don't eat, you don't eat, you don't sleep. You know what I'm saying? It's that type of thing. So you got to work. But it always intrigued me, the idea of not working for anybody, just pulling in money. You see all these stories of people, you see all these images on TV and in magazines, and you hear about these so-called people who are called entrepreneurs. They don't work for anybody, but they're making all this money. So I wanted to be an entrepreneur, right? And it's taken many years to really get into the full entrepreneurial seat, as it were. And but the main thing idea I want to get at to you is who the boss suite is for. The boss suite is for someone who just don't want to work for anybody. I mean, we could narrow it down more, but basically that fits a lot of people right there. There's a lot of people I know who just don't want to work for anybody. That's why it's called the boss suite. It's a whole full suite of courses designed to teach you modern day techniques and skill sets to generate an income so that you can be your own boss. There used to be a saying online in this space that, you want to get to the point where you can fire your boss. Well, I don't really want to fire my boss. He can keep working as long as he wants to. You know who I want to fire? I want to fire me. I want to fire me from that job. Don't you want to fire yourself? Aren't you tired of working for somebody else? Hell, aren't you tired of working, period? When you get the ball rolling, the snowball moving, and it starts building, accumulation and building and building, once it starts rolling and building, hey, it can't be stopped. And that's what I want you to do, to get that snowball rolling, get it going. And Boss Suite is a way to get it going, because it's so many courses that's inside this thing. What's that, like 23, 25 now? Right now I'm currently going through the latest course that was just added. They're always adding courses. And this thing is a one-time fee. A one-time fee. And the fee, by the way, I'm not gonna BS you. It's $597. And think about what a wonderful investment that is. Just a one-time investment of $597. You got like 23 to 25 courses, plus a whole bunch of other modules that go into energy set and just different things about life that you're just going to need to know. But there's specifically all these income generation courses that are going to teach you the skill sets you need for modern day times. And that's why I made the unique website called moderndayincome.com. That's where you're going to see the review, where I go into the modules so you can actually see how the modules look inside of Boss Suite. Because I know you want to see what you're getting, right? Right. So just go to moderndayincome.com and you'll see it. And then you're going to see that big button that says Get the Boss. That's the button you're going to want to hit. You're going to see some more words from me and even another little special video at the top. You'll see the little play button. Hey, just go there, hit the Get the Boss and get it. And like I said, it's $597. And for some people, I know that's still a good bit of money, especially if you're working hard, living paycheck to paycheck. Now, I could suggest to you, hey, save up like you would save up for anything else. I used to know guys, who were working at fast foods and would save up their money just to get rims for the car. But they would save up for months and months so they can finally get these 20s, and then it came to 22-inch rims. So they would save up to get the 22-inch rims, just like you save up for anything else. And before that, people used to save up to get the pure gold chain. You would, with the piece, with the extra little piece on it and the gold chain. People would save up for that stuff. But what was that really? What kind of investment was that? Was that an investment that was going to upgrade your skill sets and make you more money? Well, no, not really. But Boss Suite is, because it's teaching you how to make an income using the digital means. In the digital world, this is a digital economy now. This is a digital economy. I just saw, just 2 days ago, was that yet? Oh, that was two. What was it? That might have been yesterday. I just saw where President Trump of the United States, he just announced where he just commissioned the Bitcoin reserve. Everything's going digital. Now the United States is going crypto, y'all. It's cryptocurrency time. It's full digital. This thing is about to be fully digital. You need the skill sets to make money in the digital economy. Catch up. It's time to catch up. And that's exactly what Boss Suite teaches. Once again, go to moderndayincome.com. You can watch that review video and see the module, see how it actually looks on the inside. And you can save up your money if you don't have it. But even if you don't, there is another option. But wait. There is another. 50 points for anybody who can tell me where I got that quote from. There is another. Okay, but the other option is, got a payment plan, y'all. We got a payment plan. Many of the members in Boss Suite, which, by the way, we now have over 20,000 members. That's paid members, and Boss Suite is only 1 year old. 20,000 paid members. That's right. But what's that other option? That payment plan? Payment plan is cool because all you do is make little bitty micro payments. But as soon as you make the first micro payment, you're in. You're in. Basically, there's going to be 4 or 5 choices that you have access to, and they'll basically tell you if you qualified or not. Now, I can't guarantee that you're going to get qualified, but a whole lot of our members have been qualified. And I'm pretty sure a lot of them are in worse conditions, worse financial shape than what you're probably in, okay? So it doesn't hurt to check it out. If you want to know more about the payment plan, just send me a text at area code 409-999-3822. That's 409-999-3822. Just put in the text, I want to join Boss Suite. Hey, what's the info on the payment plan? And I'll give you the special link. You can go straight to it. You'll probably get qualified, and you'll be able to, boom, enter inside our private school community area and begin on whatever course you want. You don't have to go through every single course. There's a lot of courses, and more always being added. You just go to the ones that magnetically pull you, the one that fits your personality set. Hey, on moderndayincome.com, I even got a special quiz that you can take. You'll see it there. That'll help you hone in on what would be the best skill set for you to immediately dive into. It's right there. It's right there on my site, moderndayincome.com, along with that review video that I told you about, where you can actually see the modules, and that, most importantly, that button that says Get the Boss. Okay? I just wanted to share this message with you because I know a lot of people are just tired of working. So let's get the snowball rolling. Start building up these skill sets so you can build up money away from that other boss and be your own boss. My name is William C. Rogers. I am a Boss Suite member and Boss Suite affiliate. And I do earn, full disclosure, I do earn a commission because I'm an affiliate marketer. And as I told you about at the beginning of this video, that's one of the best modules ever. And if you come in Boss Suite, you too can become an affiliate. Most of our members are making money from the courses and the income skills that they're learning inside Boss Suite. But in addition to all of that, you can also promote Boss Suite yourself and earn a very fat commission for doing so. All right? Once again, that site is moderndayincome.com. If you got any questions or you're ready and you want that payment plan where you can just make small little payments and get immediately inside the Boss Suite, go ahead and text me at 409-999-3822. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right. And don't forget to hit that like button and hit the subscribe, y'all. It helps get this message out to more people out there in the digital world.